So when Josh came in for a design brief, he brought in some pictures with him. Those pictures were vehicles that were weathered, had some glossy top coats on them. It was a good thing he brought those in because usually when I think rusted vehicles, I'm thinking like old jacked up top coats, rusted finishes, but he specifically wanted a top coat on there because he liked the preserved look that some vehicles go for. Because of the meeting I had with Josh, there weren't a whole lot of changes really. The only changes that he had were making the pinstripes on the hood a different color. He wanted the gas cap to be leaking a little bit more, and he wanted his name changed in size. I've worked on a couple designs like this before. I was able to finish this one a little bit faster than I've done the last couple. I know how to get around all of the issues in weathering and everything. In the end, I really like the way this design came out. I think it really looks like something that's just been torn up by the desert sun, and I'm really happy with it.